Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a hamburger. Let's start off by drawing a big oval with a flatter bottom for the bun. And underneath, draw a wavy line that goes all the way to the other side like so for the lettuce. Underneath that, draw a flatter line that's similar to the bottom of the bun for the slice of tomato. Then, draw a slice of cheese with a line that goes left, curves down, a sharp turn to the right that curves down to a point, another sharp turn up to the right, and turning back to the tomato on the other side. Underneath the cheese, draw the burger patty with a really wavy line, starting here, going all the way along the bottom, behind the cheese, and back up to here. Finally, draw the bottom bun with a normal line that goes down, a long wide curve along the bottom, and back up to the patty on the other side. To add some more detail, draw some small ovals with thin lines from the top bun for the sesame seeds, and a pair of lines at each bump on the lettuce for some texture. A long, thin line along the edge of the cheese to give it some thickness, a few wavy lines here and there on the patty, and some dots here and here on the bottom bun for the bread texture. And now you got a hamburger!